Did you know 80% of people have no budget? And that's exactly why they're broke. The next 4 minutes, I'll show you the simplest money rule that will change your finances forever. It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and you can start using it today, no matter your income. Most people earn money, spend it randomly, and wonder where it all went at the end of the month. Without a plan, you end up with nothing saved and one emergency away from debt. The 50-30-20 rule divides your income into just 3 simple categories. 50% goes to your needs: rent, food, utilities, transportation, the things you can't live without. If you earn $3,000 a month, that's $1,500 for needs. Write that number down right now. If your needs cost more than 50%, that's a red flag. We'll fix that in a moment. 30% goes to your wants: restaurants, Netflix, shopping, and hobbies. On $3,000 income, that's $900 for fun, guilt-free, because it's already planned. Most people overspend here without realizing it. Tracking is the only way to know. The final 20% is your savings and debt repayment. This is where wealth is built. On $3,000, that's $600 every single month going toward your future, automatically. Just 1 year, that's $7,200 saved. In 5 years, over $36,000. Here's exactly how to start. Step 1. Calculate your monthly take-home income after tax. Step 2. Multiply by 0.5, 0.3, and the 0.2 to get your 3 budget numbers. Step 3. Track every purchase for 30 days using a free app like YNAB or Mint.